The new DeepOnion Wallet version 1.5 has been released. If you want to know how to install it and how to back up your old wallet safely, stay tuned. To install the new wallet, you're just going to need an internet connection, a PC and a USB stick. Let's go. Plug in your USB drive in your PC and make sure that your wallet is fully synced. You can check this here, up to date. Let's move to File, Backup Wallet, select our USB drive because we don't want to back it up on our PC, we want to store it offline, and let's call it DeepOnion Backup First 2018. Save. Next we're going to move to our PC, and in here we put in percentage, Appdata, percentage, enter. We move to DeepOnion, and we're going to copy our DAT files and the conf file. You can also save your wallet address and its private key. Just make a text document, call it, let's say you want to save the private key of your Airdrop address. I'm not going to paste mine into there, but I'm going to show you how you can get it. Click on Help, go to Debug window, go to the console. If you type in help, it will give you all the commands you can put in. But what we want to do is dump private key with the DeepOnion address you want to get the private key from. So you're just going to put in your Airdrop address without the brackets, and you're going to get the private key. Just copy and paste it to the USB drive, and later on in another wallet, when you want to import your private key, you're just going to select import private key, input the private key, and label will be the name you're going to give the new address which is created. So just call it Airdrop address. If you saved all of this in your USB drive, remove it from your PC because we're not going to use it anymore, and close your old wallet. Now we're fine to download the new wallet. Move to deeponion.org, go to download, and we want to download the new Windows Wallet version 1.5. Save it to your PC. Let's go to downloads. There it is. Download that already. Move it from this folder to your program folder where I would usually save it. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Can close this. So the old wallet is closed, so we can simply start up the new one. This is normal. Windows protected your PC because it's an unknown program. Click on more info and click on Run anyway. There it is. Looks already much nicer than the one from before. While the block index is loading, let's check out the new features of the new wallet. You can find it in the community forum. Just type in the search bar wallet 1.5 and you find the thread. The main upgrade is about the latest store version, so we have more privacy, more security for all the users, and the fees of default have been lowered to 0.01 onion. Let's wait until the new wallet is ready. Don't get it twisted, going full force cause it's that well encrypted. You getting mad and mad, well I'm getting quite wealthy. There we go. Great new design. Let's check, we're already fully synced. And we have already one active connection, great. So I want my wallet to stake, so I'm going to unlock it. If this is the first time that you have a DeepOnion wallet, make sure that you encrypt it and then have a safe password. You can also save that password on the text file on the USB stick where you have your backup, so you're sure that you'll have access to your wallet. And currently mine is encrypted and locked, so we are not staking. Let's unlock our wallet by going to settings, unlock wallet, and type in your password and click OK. You'll see that the little lock here turned green, and it's showing that your wallet is unlocked but for staking only. If you check that little box, Not staking because wallet is locked. Not sure what you... Oh, I think so, that's better. And we are staking. Connected. For active connections, up to date, everything's perfect. For the new wallet, coin control features are enabled automatically because I can't find it in the options anymore. So make sure that you input your airdrop address in there. Copy the address of your airdrop wallet because that's the address you want most of your coins on to be, because you're going to get rewarded for that one. And click paste. So for every transaction you do, your change from the input you have, if I send 200 onions to someone, my 4,500 onions would be my custom change, which would be dispersed to different addresses. With coin control features, everything will return back to my airdrop address and I'll get my airdrop reward every Friday. That's it, and I hope I could help you out. If you have any more questions, just ask them in our official deeponion.org/community forum. See you!